Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Preeti. I'm so excited and grateful to be here at SUGARPOP's 4th birthday since I absolutely love the product and the brand itself. So on this occasion, I'm going to create a very gorgeous yet easy party makeup look. So let's begin. Starting with the SUGARPOP liquid foundation, which is super dewy with buildable coverage, perfect for a flawless look on a budget. Next, I'm using the full coverage concealer in the shade 02 to conceal and highlight my under eyes. Now let's add some dimension using this 4-in-1 lipstick as a contour and blush. So easy to use on the go. To set everything, I'm using the brightening banana powder which locks in my base without any cakey finish. Moving on to the eyes, I am diving into this eyeshadow palette that features 9 stunning shades with a mix of mattes and shimmers. I am applying the shade Mauve Glaze as a transition color in my crease and topping it off with a gorgeous shimmer. For a defined look, I am applying kajal close to my lash line and using a little hack creating a wing with my nails, a trick I swear by. To complete the eye look, I am finishing off with the volumizing mascara for that extra lift. Finally, I am lining my lips with a nude lip liner and topping it off with the satin matte lipstick in the shade 18, which perfectly complements the whole look. So this is how my easy party makeup looks like, and I absolutely love the finish, and you can absolutely recreate this in any occasion you like. Do wish SUGARPOP a very happy birthday in the comment section down below, and if you liked watching this and want more such amazing pop star looks, then make sure you subscribe. Also don't forget to like, share and comment down what more you would like to watch in future. Till then, bye.